Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this Oxford White 2022 Ford F-150. It is very well maintained, zero accidents, and it comes in the XLT trim with a 5.0 liter V8 engine. You also have a very huge truck bed. This truck has a huge display screen with auto headlights and comes in a full cloth interior. This F-150 comes with Bluetooth, auto start stop, cruise control, pre-collision assist, also with a rear view camera and a trailer tow package. This F-150 comes with a very large rear back seats, which can be easily folded up for lots of storage. If you want to book a test drive, give us a call at Maclin Ford. Have a very good day.